this wall, and then this wall with a whole bunch of bags and stuff. I don't know what to do with this yet. You see my art wall, some school stuff that I'm pretty sure I'm about to get rid of because I'm taking back to school. Almost out. Whoop, whoop. My desk, which is extremely junky, don't mind that. My bed, I got some little pom-pom decorations. This area, which is all coming down. This, my clothes rack, and then a mirror in my closet. Got some pictures up there, and then this shelf, and that's basically it. Nothing really too fancy, nothing cute. Not how I want to look, so I'm just going to do an overview and make over my room and show you guys the finished product.
So right now, I'm just moving my desk. No, I'm redoing my room. Moving my desk over here by the window, so when I want to take pictures, I got that bomb lighting. You know what I'm saying? So. This chair, and I don't know how to do that chair. So let me just take everything off of that. That looks a little too big. That's not gonna work. Ugh. I'm gonna build it up on myself. I need to get a plastic bag and start getting rid of all this stuff that I don't want. This is my room as of now. We just went to go get my little dresser drawer thing that's gonna be going in the front of my bed. It's got some pillows, blanket. Y'all gonna see it's gonna be so cute. From Dirt Cheap, it was only $24. Yes, what a steal. I'm gonna show you guys that store when I go get my room decor and stuff like that. But sorry I can't have very much movement. We is 0. So yeah, this is how it's looking. We're back shopping for my room decor, back in Dirt Cheap. This is 60% off of $45. And this is what I got. I decided I wanted my room to be yellow and gray. So here it is. It comes with 1 oversized full comforter, 2 standard pillow shams, 1 full printed sheet set, and 1 decorative pillow for 60% off $45. We was like, oh, we have to get it now because this won't be here. Now I'm looking for an extra pillow because I only have 1 pillow. And, well, I have 2 pillows, but one's extra long, and I need 2 to fit in the 2 pillowcases that's in there. But then I was just like, no, that looks like a whole bunch of banana peels to me, so. This one's too big, huh? It is free $99 because it doesn't have a price sticker. I'm telling you it's free because it don't got a price sticker. You done messed up the joke. I'm over here looking at all these fuzzy blankets because I kind of want like a fuzzy blanket to be on top of that little dresser thing that I brought from here. So yeah, I'm looking at these. This one will be cute, like this gray one. Let's see how much this is. I don't know how big this is. Why am I putting it on the ground? Potentially buying this and I'm putting it on the ground. Oh well. Yeah. So we weren't even planning on buying anything. I just so happened to mention it and it so happened to be extremely cheap. So we was like, we gotta get it. Okay, so this doesn't have a price tag. Why doesn't half the crap have a price tag? Maybe there's another one I can find with the price tag. Don't got a price either, but I don't like that one as much. That just looks like a throw blanket. I need like that. I'm about to just take it to my mama and show her.
And see what she thinks about it. Got a whole bunch of stuff now. Furniture and stuff. Yeah, I live in Florida. For Dirt Cheap, or at least the
The Florida I live in for Dirt Cheap. I don't know about any other part of Florida. I just know this is the only place it's at. Because it's not in Atlanta, it's not in Texas, not in Virginia, not in none of that. So, I don't know. I think it's just in Florida. So, y'all missing out. Y'all come to Florida. So, we did end up getting the throw blanket. Here it is right here. It's gray. And it has this little, like, leaf pattern on it. I don't know. Can you guys tell? Yeah, it's really cute. And I was going to put it on this little thing that y'all guys are sitting on right now. And that was $8. It was $35, $34 with 80% off. Then I got this as y'all know, I got my bedding set, and this is what it looks like. This was $45 with 60% off, so I think this was $15. I don't know, I can't remember. I mean, if I can find a receipt, I'll tell you guys. And then last but not least, I got me a pillow because I didn't have another pillow to go with the... There's 2 pillows things in here. I have one normal size pillow and I have one extra long pillow, so that wouldn't have fit with the 2 shams that are in there. So I had to buy me another pillow to fit the shams, and so I just got this one. This was, I don't know. I wanted to put the receipts on anything. I don't know what the receipts are, but just know it was really cheap. It was $12.99 with 40% off. So whatever that is, y'all do the math. I don't feel like doing it. But yeah, my room's coming together slowly but surely. Got all my stuff. Now I just gotta put it together, and then I'm gonna go back and buy some decorations and stuff. Take down these decorations because these are not going with the color at all. This is like turquoise and yellow. I'm just doing yellow and gray. You know what I'm saying? I really got done putting my bed up. This is just the comforting stuff that I brought yesterday or 2 days ago, and then I also put this little thing on there. It doesn't really match the gray that's on the bed. Sorry about my nails, y'all. Like, look, that's the worst day I've ever been. But yeah, I'm gonna put some pillows and stuff on that anyways to cover it up because, you know, for like sitting and putting shoes on and stuff, make it look all cute. And up here, I just have a yellow dress that I don't like the way it fits, so I just use it as decoration. I'm gonna get a gray dress, but that's all that I have right now. And then I have my little thing right here. I'm gonna put a plant, like little fake plant in the middle. And really all I have to do is clean off my desk, get some like decor because my walls are so bare. I want some like yellow and gray drawers to go in here or whatever, like so I can put all this miscellaneous stuff in there. This is just my... So we in Target, and I'm getting these 2 little succulent things to put in my room. And the thing is what I'm gonna put on my desk. It's on sale for $5.99. It has just like organizer things in it. But yeah, is this it? Oh, and I also need some instructions. Okay. So yeah, that's gonna go in my drawers, in the see-through drawers, so you don't see how junky it is in there.